welcome to my screen, ladies and gentlemen. Right before us right now, I'm having EURUSD charts, and there is this analysis I did yesterday, and it is already playing out. So sorry I didn't post the signal, but I didn't take it seriously because this is Christmas season, so this is December season, so everything is highly risky, and sometimes you don't need to be so close. You don't need to be constantly pressing buttons, buying and selling. So I decided to take this trades because if you remember, I call out a selling position on GBUSD and EURUSD under probability because it was on a daily time frame right now. So it was on a daily time frame, so EURUSD was consolidating, and I drew my Fibonacci retracement. So it was, let me take it out. I drew my Fibonacci retracement, and I noticed that it was inside Fibonacci retracement level. It was 50 and 60. It was upon this zone, as you can see here. So I noticed that this guy is going to buy. So our next level target, it is 1.18698. That's the next level target of EURUSD. So if you want to take this trade as it is now, because we have already experienced, we have already seen what we call a breakout. Now breakout has already happened on EURUSD. So for you to enter this trade right now, let me remove this this guy here. For you to enter this trade right now, I can see, just wait for some break of structures. Just wait for some break of structure, or maybe a nice pullback into this level. Let me see, use this my close friend here. From swing low to swing high. Let me see. Okay, we'll still be expecting some pullback into this zone right now. So there's nothing to panic. There's nothing to panic here. If you want this trade, like if you want to be into this trade right now, just wait for this. So just wait for the bounce of this level, and you are good to go. Just wait for the bounce off on this level, then you are good to go, because this guy is already on a bullish movement, EURUSD. So from here you can now enter your own trade, place your own trade. As we are celebrating Christmas, we are celebrating December, you are also making money as well. But be careful, because this period, it is very, very risky. If you are trading, it is very, very risky. So that is what I have, and I want to talk about this currency pair also. Let me see EURUSD. This is NZD-USD. They are also the same thing. All of them, they are buying because I just took the trade yesterday, and I didn't make, and I just said, let me just took the trade because I noticed something about this one. I didn't take the trade because I noticed that it was consolidating, and the consolidation was that kind of a. I was also curious about this level here. I was also curious about this level because what I need to do, I just need to place this my green bar here, just like this, because from this touch, this is the next drop. The next drop, that should be 1.35661 of USD cards. So from here you can wait for a pullback into this zone, pullback into this zone before you can take any trade. Now just wait for pullback. So do we have, let me see, GBUSD is still giving us the same trick as well. Let's wait for a pullback. Let me remove this my position size. Let us wait for a pullback, because even though I drew my Fibonacci, my friend here very well, because I love the guy very well, is still on my Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see right now, we'll be holding on to this guy for our dear life. Let's wait for this signal right now to play out. Don't place any trade. Don't be so attached to the chart that you were placing buttons. No, don't do that. To be profitable, you need to be disciplined. You need to discipline yourself very well and wait for the right entry. And there's this thing I wanted to say also as well. If you really want to be that kind of a trader that his losses are always low, you need to be less on your chart. You need to reduce the time of monitoring your trades. That is to control your psychology. So you just wait for the right signal, and when you place this trade, just allow the trade go. So there is a system I usually use. If you place a trade and the trade is moving into a directions, allow the trade to play out. Just leave the market. You cannot plan a count today and tomorrow you will still go and dig it out whether it has started germinating. The next day you will still go and dig it out whether it started germinating, or maybe a few hours you go back to the farm and keep doing that type of thing. No. So when you plant, when you place a trade is just as a seed. When you place that trade, allow the seed to grow. When you allow the seed to grow, it will reach the extent that you have confidence in your system. You have confidence and you'll be disciplined enough that you'll be seeing result. That is just it. So on this trade, let's wait for a pullback. Let's wait for a pullback, because I will be kindly waiting for a pullback on this trade right now. I'll be kindly waiting for a pullback. This is our first target, second there. The second target is there. So I'll be kindly waiting for a pullback. It's giving us the same thing. So that's what we have right now. That's what is before us right now. EURUSD, GBP/USD, and USD CAD. So thank you for your time, and please help me subscribe, comment, and like, and also share to your friends for more signals and more information about trades. And if you need some guidance, also comment below and I can help you through in whatever you are facing, in any challenge you are facing in trading. Comment below and I will help you through.
Subscribe, like, share.